It is time to talk about money. Well, Glenn,
Yeah.
welcome to CCS.
Oh, it's great to be here.
Well, looks like you have a workshop coming up for us.
I do. I'm looking forward to it.
Well, tell us more.
Well, I was had the experience, if you will, of being on the national committee that gave out money to ministers in trouble financially. It's called the Financial Assistance Committee, and in that we heard stories from people of how they had got into deep trouble, and there were some patterns, but other times unique circumstances. So we are fortunately we were able to be compassionate with them and help them once, and then ask them to change the way they're living. That moved me because I just saw how much it undermined good ministry. So I've always had this. I've got a background in finance, and so we're going to talk about how to maintain a healthy bank account, how to avoid interest rates chewing into your living, how to understand what investments are. I'm going to have a lot of room for questions, but there's going to be a few compulsory exercises around budgeting.
Well, thank you so much. I think it is an exciting workshop for us, for many of us are struggling with the same issue, I guess.
It's something people are often afraid to talk about. So
Exactly.
let's jump in a
Exactly.
safe way and a safe place to do it.
Yeah, well, seldom CCS has a workshop like this. I hope that you take this opportunity and come to have a conversation. Thank you, Glenn.
Oh, again, great to be here. I look forward already to our workshops.
Great. Bye.
Bye.